In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your Brother HL-L2460DW or other similar models. I think they made this for the last 10 years and they're all looking the same and they work the same way. So in case you have a paper jam, I'll show you 4 places where you need to check for stock paper. First place, remove it completely. And if we check over here, you should see through your printer at this point. If there's any stock paper, just go ahead, grab it and remove it. Another place you can look is where the toner cartridge is located. So go ahead and open this top door simply by swinging it out like this. Remove the toner cartridge drawer like that. Take a look inside of the printer from this place over here. If you see again some stock paper, go ahead, reach for it and remove it. You can also check the toner cartridge by removing it. Press this small green lever over here to remove it and look for any stock paper over here or under this cartridge. If everything is fine, simply replace it back. Another place you can check is at the exit over here where the paper comes out. Sometimes it may get stuck or sometimes just a small piece of paper gets stuck and the whole printer gives you a paper jam error. So check if there's nothing under these flaps getting stuck. Finally, if we turn the printer around, this is the back of the printer, we can grab this small piece over here, pull it towards you, and it will reveal again more of the internals of this printer. And if you see a paper hanging over here or being jammed, go ahead and remove it with your fingers as well. Once you clear the paper jam, I suggest you remove the power cord over here and let your printer stay during 2 minutes. This will clear the message and you can go ahead after 2 minutes, connect it back and try printing again. I hope this solved your issue. Please leave a like, comment down below. If you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below to get more ink cartridges or maybe some paper for your Brother printer. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.